Hello there and welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to use the Excel if formula like a pro. So let's open an Excel sheet. Let's put a random figure in here, equals rand between. We make it between 0 and 100. So let's say these are exam marks from students' exam papers. We want to allocate symbols according to what the figures. We close the brackets and now we've got our random figure. So we want to generate an A or a B or a C according to this figure here. So you click on the cell where you want the formula, expand the formula bar. Always when you start a formula, you start with equals. We want to do an if. Open the brackets. We want to say if cell F3 is greater than 90, give it an A. Alright, then what I do, because I'm going to have multiple, we're going to make 10 different conditions in the if. So what I do, I highlight the first one with a comma, control copy, select after the comma, alt enter, control V, and do this about 9 times. Alt enter, control V, 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 alt enter, control V. How many have we got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more. Alt enter, control V. So now we want to, for 80 it must be that. We want to 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. We want a B here, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, alt enter, J. That's if all the conditions aren't met, we want J. Now if we want to know how many brackets to close off with, you just count the number of ifs so that we know there were 9. So you just put 9 closing brackets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Enter. There your formula. Let's collapse the formula bar. Let's expand the screen. So if we recalculate, you'll see this automatically change. F9 to recalculate 9600. You can see it's working correctly. So let's say we want to work it on multiple rows. Click anywhere inside the figures here. Control L to create a table. Click OK. Let's give our table a name. So this is the amount. This is the symbol. Let's do multiple calculations simply by dragging this down. Let's do about 100 or 150. So let's take the formulas out here. Control Shift arrow down. Right click. Paste special. Text. Click OK. Let's just try that again. Let's see, I did something wrong. Let's click the first row, Control Shift down, right click, Control C, right click, paste special values. This time we got it right. So now if you want to check if this if formula is working correctly, let's go and see all the A's and make sure they're above 90. You can see they're all above 90. Let's go and see. Let's just expand our columns a bit so you can see a little bit clearer. Let's just move this to the middle. Alright, let's go and see. So we say if all looks like below 50 or above 40. So you can see the formula is working perfectly. So you can see that's the way to do an if formula very quickly. So that's all for this video. If you like what you see, please click the like button below. Subscribe to receive future videos. And thank you for watching.